Welcome back to this video. Recently, someone reached out to me about Alipay account not verified, but can they be able to make payment on 1688? And I decided to make a video about this and show you the real-time experience about the whole thing, so you'll be able to understand if it is possible for you to make payments on 1688 even if your Alipay account is not fully verified identity. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So like I said earlier, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and I decided to make a video about these things to address this issue once and for all. So you know by yourself that if it is actually possible to make payment on 1688 without your Alipay identity verification. I'm going to open up my WhatsApp right here, okay? Just like what you see right here, this person reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here. Hi, good morning. I collected your number from your YouTube. I'm having issue on my 1688 app. Have been trying to message supplier I bought goods from, but to no avail. I say money. I said maybe your account is temporarily banned. And this was the video recording of what actually happened right here. Let me quickly play the video so you can see something. So take a look at this video right here, and you can see this person here is trying to make payment with this 1688 account and it was not gone through. And this was the voice note. I want you to listen to this voice note. Then from there we can proceed. So I'm going to play the voice note.
When I open the item I want to order, and I click here that message box, it will not show me blank, plain blank white screen. But later they will not quit, then show me one Chinese this write up, and I don't understand the write up. I don't know if you can help me. I'm very frustrated right now.
So I understand the kind of frustration this can make, but the truth still remains the same. If your Alipay account is not verified, you can't use 1688 peacefully. Now let's go ahead. This is other message right here. I won't be able to play all the voice notes. I will just go straight to the point. This is the Alipay account that was associated to this particular 1688 account. You can see ID validate not authenticate. And if your Alipay account in this stage and you link your 1688 account, it will link successfully, but the payments and peacefully navigation is going to be a nightmare, which is exactly what is happening right here. Take a look at this person here, and then I will play this other voice note right here.
When I click the other ID under your name, I put the ID that I used to register with the Alipay, which is my international passport. When I put it, the thing does not work. I don't know why.
Let's quickly listen to the last voice note right here.
But I ordered some goods on Saturday and on Sunday. I used my Alipay to pay. The thing will work perfectly, but I don't know why I cannot message supplier, because when I check, they say that I need to register my name so that I can use so that I can message a supplier. But when I want to go and check my Alipay account, I found out that I am not register my name, verify my name. But I'm really confused.
All right, so this was the last audio note I'm going to play right here, and you can see the rest of the chart right here. Now, what actually happened here is that if your Alipay account is not fully verified, or maybe your ID was not authenticated, and you try to fund the account with about 100 yuan or 200 yuan, the fund might be go. but it is very risky. If you try to send huge amount of money to the account, the account might be completely frozen and the money may be trapped in that account. This is exactly what happened to this person right here. If they try to use the account to carry out a huge transaction, the account is going to be completely frozen. So in a nutshell, never use unverified Alipay account to make payment on 1688 if you don't want to have issues with 1688 or with Alipay account. Make sure your Alipay account is fully verified before you go ahead and carry out any transaction on 1688 or any Chinese e-commerce app or website. This is what I have for you as far as 1688 and Alipay account unverified is concerned.